Are you looking to do a little clothes shopping right here in Chelmsford? Then I have the store for you. I'm Linda Arpino with the Pozaricki Arpino team. Behind the camera is my partner, Bill.
Hello, everybody.
And today we are at 22 Central Square in Chelmsford at the Druzy Rose. And we are very pleased to be joined with the owner, Kristen, who's also a Chelmsford resident. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So Druzy Rose, that's obviously a very unique name.
It is.
Can you tell us a little bit about its origin?
Yeah, absolutely. So I've worked in the industry of retail for over 29 years at this point, and I got to that turning point in the Great Resignation, as everybody else did, where I was working a little bit too much for others, got burnt out quite a bit, and I needed to take a little bit of a pause. When I did so, I thought to myself, why am I doing all of this for everybody? If I'm going to be working so much, I'm going to be, kind of draining myself. Why am I not doing it for myself?
Right.
So at that point, I decided to start my own business. I started as e-com, and when I went to name my business, it's actually a little bit harder to find an open domain than people would assume.
Yep.
So myself and my girlfriend, we kind of went back and forth, and I'm notoriously known as a little bit of a hippy dippy, and she actually threw out the name Druzy Rose to me. And Druzy itself is the little sparkly crystals. It's something that's it's special inside a stone.
Yep.
I do love me quite a few stones and rocks. I have a collection.
Nice.
And rose, I love roses. I love rose quartz. So the name.
It was a natural fit.
Exactly. Druzy also wards off anxiety and depression, which especially at that time, not only for myself, but I feel,
yes,
all of
people.
us right now.
Yes, exactly.
So the name was born.
Very nice. That's a great story.
Thanks.
So also, tell us a little bit about the store. So I know you started with your online business and then you added your first brick and mortar here in Chelmsford. So tell us what we have here in the store.
Absolutely. So the business is a collection of different categories. It's meant to be something that inspires positive mind, body, soul, and seedlings. So we're sitting in front of my seedlings collection. And what does that look like? What does that mean? So for body, obviously things that make you feel good and special. So clothing, and obviously the store is much anchored in clothing.
Yep.
Mine could be small homeware pieces, blankets that are made artisanally in Peru, water bottles, or even, a personal alarm that's a good peace of mind. Soul, things, that just uplift your soul. So essential oils, teas, etc. And then obviously seedlings. So I am a mom, I'm a girl mom. I also have a bonus child boy. And I love tinkering and playing with children's clothes and styling the little ones as well. So that's the collections that are in my store here.
So you find it all.
Yeah,
Mind, body, soul, all in one place. That's great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling.
What a great addition to Chelmsford Center. I've already done shopping here. I actually started my Christmas shopping early this year. So make sure you stop by and take a look. And don't forget to like our Facebook business page. And for YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and hit that bell so you learn more when we highlight more businesses in and around Chelmsford. Thanks for joining us.